First, it was the drummer, E-Toms. Shout out to E-Toms. Check him out on YouTube and on Instagram. He's very good. Woo. So one thing with overdubs is you are only accenting whatever that is there. Do you get me? You're accenting whatever that is there. So how many this thing? Oh, more. Okay, let's just work with what we have here from here.
Can you give your neighbor high five and say yeah? Give your neighbor high five and say yeah, yeah,
See,
yeah, yeah.
if I take it out. See?
Listen. You have no idea what is about to happen. Hey.
Woo. So that's a fool. All right. So
Jesus is here. Keep it clap.
So most of the time I use peculiar sounds too. So, but for now, we're just gonna keep it a buck here. So that place where we had that nice hit, I think it was here. We're just gonna answer.
This is how I mean. This is how I mean.
So that's where we're gonna ascend. you didn't see the vision, Abby. You did choke, Abby. Strings, and then we've got here guitar. So just accenting whatever the guitar line was there. So let's see. 1, 2, 3.
This is how I mean. This is how I mean. This is how I mean. This is how I win. This is how I win. Oh, when trouble comes, this is how I win. Jesus, when the pressure comes, this is how.
So let's hear. So on its own. Lead. I'm not sure about that, but let's see. Let's see how it sounds.
This is how I mean. This is how I mean. This is how I mean. This is how I win. This is how I win. Oh, when trouble comes, this is how I win. Jesus. This is how I win. This is how I win. This is how I win.
Okay. Yeah. Let's hear what we have so far. The name of Jesus. Let's go. So this will be mixed in with the stems or the multi-tracks that have been done already. Not a year, so this is. Okay, so I'm gonna add what I call the hits. The hits. In all my recordings, overdubs and stuff, I always had this juicy hits. When you hear them, you know why I call them juicy hits. That's how juicy they are. So get this. It will make your life as a producer. It will make it, much, 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 much easier. So got and yeah, you can even search it out. You say juice hits, baby. And you hear it now, you go yeah, when. All right. Yes, sir. So it's gonna have that oomph to it. And bring this. Sound like. All right. So, bang, bang. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! So imagine you are coming. Again. You're allowed to breathe. So let's see where that is again. Woo! That drum. Of my wash, the smoke of my washing. So. So we're gonna do that big landing there. One time. 1, 2, up. So we got this. Woo! Smoke of my worship. It's upon. It's that place. Ba-da-bam, down. Against the world. The drummer, wait till they play now. You made a way I'm looking for that. Woo! Cause you made. No how, yeah, don't know how, but that's where it is. But you so wow. Let's see where it started, where we started it from. Wait away. Don't know how. Hi guys, I trust you well, and to my new subscribers, welcome to this YouTube channel. This is Samuel Adiola Music, where we give you everything hot, from piano tutorials to bass tutorials to educational videos to entertaining videos. You are always catered for. Wherever you are catered for here. So please don't forget to like the videos, watch the videos, comment, subscribe. I beg. It will not cost you a dime. But please, click on that subscription button. Come on board with me on this amazing journey.